right, we're starting off with 40 ounces of our refried beans in our 9x13. I have my spatula here so that we can kind of flatten our beans out right in our pan. This is gonna be a super easy one pan dinner with Mexican inspired flavors. Now my family really likes refried beans, which is why I did the 40 ounces, but you could do a smaller can if your family doesn't like it as much, but I think this is gonna be delicious. All in one pan, super easy, quickest dinner you'll ever make. Oh my goodness, that looks perfect. Now to season this up a little bit, I do have some taco seasoning, but this is optional. I just like a lot of flavor with this, and we're just gonna kind of sprinkle that right on there best we can. Delicious. All right, now for the star of the show, I have some beef taquitos. You heard that right. Now you can use the chicken taquitos. You can even use the burritos, but I like the taquitos because they get a little bit crispier than the burritos and they just taste amazing for this super easy dinner. Obviously you can make everything homemade if that is your preference, but I wanted this to be so fast that you guys could make it while you're half asleep, waiting for your kids to calm down after school, or during the summer if they're playing at the pool. But this is gonna be something anyone can make. Oh my goodness. And we're using this whole box. It comes with 20, and we can even fit some on the sides here. This is gonna be the perfect amount of taquitos for this dish. Okay, actually we have a few extra that we'll just save for lunch one day. And now, to add even more flavor, we have our enchilada sauce, and I'm using the red enchilada sauce. And we're just kind of drizzling that right on top. Ooh! And just like with the taquitos, you can make your own enchilada sauce. I am just showing you guys the quick and easy version of this dish. Oh. Now I have here a can of Rotel that I'm just gonna sprinkle right on there. I did leave the juices in there. That's optional. You can drain it if you like, but I think the juices are half the deliciousness of Rotel. I'm gonna grab a clean spatula. I'm gonna spread that in the nook and crannies of our dish. Oh my, it smells good. Those Rotels smell incredible. All right, and we all know this is missing one thing. Can you guess it, babe?
I know exactly what it is.
Cheese. And I'm using the best you can buy. Tillamook Mexican blend. And we're gonna use this whole bag. Even Juggy wants some of this cheese because he knows how good it is. Juggy is my black pug, if you guys were curious, and he loves cheese. Who doesn't love cheese? All right, and we're just gonna spread that as best as we can. You could probably even do a little bit more cheese if you like it extra cheesy, but I'm happy with that. My oven is set to 375, and this is gonna bake for about 45 minutes. All right, this smells so good. I cannot wait to dig in, but first we're just gonna garnish this a little bit with our chopped cilantro. You can use green onion if you don't like cilantro, but my family likes cilantro, so we're just gonna do a nice little sprinkle, add some color and a little bit of flavor. And come on, that just looks so much better. Got a little bit of browning on the cheese. I cannot wait to eat this. All right, we have our plate here ready. We are going to cut, just to make sure we cut through those taquitos. Soft, almost like an enchilada. Actually get underneath those refried beans. Ooh, it's messy. But what enchiladas aren't messy, right?
Yeah. Oh, it looks delicious. Smells delicious.
It looks incredible. And then I'm topping this with a little bit of Daisy sour cream. This is optional. Beautiful. Whew. All right, our easy one pan Mexican inspired dinner, super quick, is ready to enjoy. Oh, definitely want taquito, a little bit of sour cream. Oh, perfect bite. Be careful, it's gonna be really, really hot. Let it cool before you serve it to your family.
Is it good?
That is incredible. Oh my goodness.